Okay, we are going to do lesson number 5 today of unit number 1. Since the let me zoom in. Okay, what we have to do is we have to fill in these missing words and you have to write those missing words in these places given. Page number is 7, those who are joining late, and lesson number is 5 of unit number 1. Samaha, ji beta.
Teacher, chapter number.
What chapter number? This is unit number 1, lesson number 5. Look at the page I am sharing. And page number is 7.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Unit number 1, lesson number 5, page number 7. Question number 1, listen to your teacher and fill in the missing words. Tell me, oh octopus, what do you use all your arms for? So as you know, octopus has many arms, so he functions with every arm differently. So look at this number 1. One pair of arms is for walking over land, and with the one pair of arms is for drawing in the sand. In second blank, you will write sand. S-A-N-D, sand. One pair of arms is for giving you a hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Beta. I can't hear you. जी.
टीचर आपकी आवाज में कट रही थी.
Beta, अब सही है. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher.
जी.
One पहले वाला क्या आएगा? One pair of arms is for drawing in the
Sand. S-A-N-D, sand.
Okay.
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 The next third one is one pair of arms is for giving you a hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. So Jiha, turn on your camera. Fourth is one pair of arm is for playing in the band. B-A-N-D, band. Yes, Azan.
टीचर.
जी बेटा.
टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
बेटा यूज हेडफोन्स और हैंड फ्री, बाकियों को आवाज क्लियर आ रही है. Turn on your cameras, everyone. I can't see you all. Have you turned on your cameras? I can only see Samaha on my screen. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Why your cameras are off? Hurry up, turn on your cameras. All of you know you have to turn on your cameras. Saad, we are doing Oxford Progressive Book. There is no workbook with you, people. Oxford Progressive Workbook, page number 7. Students, turn on your cameras. Okay, now come to the next third paragraph. What it is? One pair of arm is for surfing through the night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. One pair of arm is for flying my kite. T-I-G-H-T, kite. One, the two pairs of arm are for painting things bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. And my mouth is for giving you a great big bite. B-I-T-E, bite, in the last sentence. Why you're not turning on your cameras, everyone? क्या problem है? Turn on your cameras. Night, tight, bright, bite. These are the words which will come in this paragraph. Night, tight, bright, bite. Done, everyone? Turn on your cameras. Okay, now look at this question number 2. Close your books and write down the actions that you can remember. Now this you have to do it by closing your books and think how many actions you can remember that octopus do. Turn on your cameras. How I have blocked your videos. I can't block your videos. Turn on your cameras. I can't block your videos, beta. Saad, if you don't have Oxford Progressive have to buy one. Now, after finishing the lecture, you have to just close your books and think of the actions you can remember that octopus has or octopus can do. Okay, for example, the octopus uses its arm for painting. The octopus uses its arm for for surfing in the night. Octopus uses its arms for uh, drawing in the sand. So any four actions you have to write it down by yourself by not looking at your books, closing your books, and then you will write down those four actions which you remember. Unmute yourself, right? Right, unmute करें बेटा, unmute yourself.
टीचर ये आपने एग्जाम्पल में क्या लिखा हुआ है?
You have to write any
Octopus.
four actions, any four actions. You have to write any four actions performed by octopus in these sentences above.
हमने कॉपी में लिखना है टीचर?
No, you just you have to write it down on your copies.
ओके.
Okay. Okay, now take out next page. Next unit we are going to start. Unit number 2 we are going to start. Yes, Azan.
टीचर
हाँ जी.
टीचर कौन सा फोर्थ एक्शन देख के बताने हैं?
ये जो those actions which are performed by octopus in above sentences.
टीचर पेज नंबर 4 6 7
7
लिखना टीचर कहाँ पे लिखा है?
बेटा on your classwork copies.
टीचर मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रही.
बेटा question number 2 you have to write it down on your classwork copies. कोई से भी चार एक्शन लिखने हैं जो ऑक्टोपस ने ऊपर किए हुए हैं, उनको कोई से भी चार एक्शन you have to write it down on your copies.
Okay.
Okay, now take out page number 8, unit number 2. Who will do the reading? Earth Watch. Maha.
The Bush. Where are then? Hi Harry. What are we doing? It is Saturday. Are you free? Harry, Saturday I should mend and clean my bike. It has a flat tire for my test on Monday. Then we
Would you?
like to play football, we only need one more player. Harry, who's playing? Then a team from Andover School is coming here. They are not very good. I think we will beat them. Do say yes, Harry. Well, I should not, but I don't like to.
I would like.
Then I would like to. Then is that a yes, Harry? Yes, it's a yes, but I must do some work on Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, now this is a dialogue between two friends, those who are discussing how they spend their day. But I have not disabled your camera, Imtishal. Okay, they are here discussing what they are going to do on their weekends. So Harry's asking, Dan is asking Harry to come and play with them on weekends. A football match is going to happen, but Dan is saying I'm not free on weekends. I have to prepare for my test, which is going to happen on Monday. But Dan says we need just one player, and the other team is also not very strong. We can beat them. But Dan says Harry says I have to do my work first. Then I will think what can I do. बेटा इंतशाल मैंने आपका कैमरा डिसेबल नहीं किया हुआ. What's wrong with you? Yes, Tuba.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
वालेकुम सलाम.
Teacher, I'm Tuba mother.
Yes.
तो ये टीचर आप जब से ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रही है ना, आज सुबह अब जब हमने स्टार्ट की उस वक्त से रो रही है. इसका कैमरा बंद है. ये इसको समझ नहीं आ रहा. इसको परसों भी इसी तरह ये रो रही थी, मेरे पास आई है कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. और अब ये उस वक्त से रो रही है. इसका एक तो कैमरा नहीं ऑन हो रहा और ये पीछे से बंद हुआ हुआ है.
से तो यहाँ से तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है सच. इसको एक मिनट. Yes, page number 7. We have done page number 7.
Okay.
Have you done page number 7?
No.
Okay. If we get time, I will tell you what you have to do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have done reading of this chapter, lesson number 1. Okay.
Yes.
Now I am specially talking to you. Just look here on my screen. Just now look at this question. Question number 2. What are Dan and Harry going to do this weekend? Now they have made this a to-do list. ठीक है, उन्होंने ये एक plan बनाया है what they will do on their weekends or on a complete week. For example, on Saturday, Dan is playing basketball match, but Harry is doing revise for test. On Monday, Dan is going for swimming with Pat, but Harry helped Dad clean the car. On Tuesday, Dan is going to play football, but Harry is going to help Grandpa with gardening. On Wednesday, Dan is going for shopping, but Harry is going for school library. On Saturday, Dan is going to have party, but Harry is going to write football match report. So on the next week, all days, Dan is busy in playing, but Harry is busy with his work. Now what you have to do is, look at this question number 4. What about you? What are you doing or going to do this week? आप इस पूरे वीक जो भी काम करने जा रहे हो, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, you have to make a list like this. Make a to-do list of your weekly plan. आगे समझ? How this plan is made, on question number 2, you have to make your plan like this. You have to write down your name, like whatever your name is, all, and you have to mention these weekdays. पहले ये weekdays mention करो, and then tell what you are going to do on each weekday.
टीचर लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है। टीचर आप कराएंगे, हमने खुद करना है बाद में।
No, you have to do it by yourself. You will write na कि what you do on your weekdays.
टीचर अभी वीक खत्म हो जाएगा तब लिखना है, आज ही लिखना है?
प्लान करना है ना, प्लान करना है तो आप पहले से ही प्लान करके रखते हो कि what you will do in your coming days. So you will make a plan of it. Okay?
Okay.
This is the example given on question number 2. कोई भी चीज repetitive नहीं होनी चाहिए in your to-do list, that you will not write कि आप हर दिन में लिखोगे I take online classes. No, whatever you do on each day and whatever you will do, that you have to write it down. ठीक है? अगर किसी को समझ नहीं आए तो just raise your hand and ask me. Did you understand your homework, Tuba? Yes.
टीचर आप कौन सा करवा रही हैं?
बेटा this question number 4.
टीचर ये अभी करना है?
नहीं, this is your homework.
ओके।
समझ आइए कैसे करना है?
नो।
Okay. Can you see question number 2 on your book?
यस।
ठीक है. They have made week plans. ये एक साइड पे डैन का वीक प्लान है और एक साइड पे हैरी का वीक प्लान है. देख रहे हो?
यस।
ठीक है. ऐसे ही आपने लिखना है, डेज के नेम लिखने हैं और हर डे में आपने क्या क्या काम करना है इस पूरे वीक में. द वीक इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर टुडे मंडे, तो वो आपने अपनी टू डू लिस्ट यहाँ पे बना देनी है. मंडे को क्या करोगे, ट्यूसडे को क्या करोगे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे. ठीक है?
ओके।
और वो प्लान आपने अपनी क्लास को कॉपी पे बनाना है.
ओके।
ओके, अब आगे समझ.
टीचर होमवर्क कॉपी पे करना सारा?
हाँ, ये वाला सारा होमवर्क कॉपी पे करना है.
ओके।
ओके. Yes, Intishal, unmute yourself.